Hi folks, this is Paul with WMSOhio.com. Just wanted to take a minute and show you a beautiful, high quality home here in Upper Sandusky in a great residential neighborhood. Got a nice old brick style home, high end from top to bottom. I'm going to show you a few of the finishes. Got a nice carriage house type garage out back as well. So come on in, let's take a look at this high quality home. From start to finish, peephole in the door, solid wood doors, oak staircase, stone gas fireplace, built-in flat screens that we're leaving, nice Florida room off to the side. And this thing is completely finished. You talk about move-in ready, this home defines it. Owners have upgraded to a beautiful country home that they are finishing as well, but this is a home they lived in for some years here in Upper Sandusky. And from start to finish, I'll just show you some of the highlights. All the appliances are staying with this home from top to bottom. The washer dryer, I'll show you a little bit later. Custom cabinetry, exposed real brick on the kitchen counters really adds some character. But just once again, character, high-end quality. This is an office space or a mud room. There is an attached one-car smaller garage there. And like I said, I'll show you the carriage house here in just a minute. And the high quality custom wood doors as you're seeing there in the video. So we just came up the solid oak stairway into the master suite, which includes this large dressing area. Could be used as a nursery or whatever you have use for it. And then a laundry area. Excuse the carpet protector on the floor making some noise there walking, but laundry area right off the master suite, which is really unique and a great feature. To the main master, huge room with closets, high-end newer windows in the whole house. Great space here in the master. Full bath in this home doesn't stop the quality. High-end finishes, jacuzzi tub, stand-up shower there, great lighting, exhaust fans. That plastic you're seeing on the floor is just a protective coating, so it's all tiled. Second bedroom on this house, very spacious with a walk-in closet. Carpets have all been cleaned. This house is definitely move-in ready. Quiet neighbor here in Upper Sandusky, Ohio. Great residential area right across the road from an elementary school. And we'll take you a walk here into the what I call carriage house style garage. Once again, solid custom doors. Beautifully landscaped, high-end shingles. And look at those doors, guys. You talk about character. And the quality does not end inside of the carriage house out back. Great two-car garage capabilities. It's insulated. It's got its own electric panel out here. Attic space. So if you wanted to throw some heat in this area, you definitely could. So once again, just wanted to give you a little short video. Beautiful home, surrounded by beautiful homes in quiet Upper Sandusky, Ohio. Great opportunity. This house will be offered for auction. Pre-auction offers will be entertained. So if you want to make a pre-auction offer, we'll present it to the owner. It'll be up to them. And this will be an online only auction, followed by a personal property sale as well. Visit WMSOhio.com. Great opportunity on very high quality, custom, unique home opportunity.